You guys went crazy for my last Alibaba unboxing. Some of you loved it, which I do too, but some of you had a lot to say instead. So of course, you know me, I had to go back and get something even bigger. This time it's not wheels, clearly, but I think it's something that'll make the show car build that much better. So come on, let's open these boxes together and see what I actually got. Jeez, we're going with that one, bro. Alright, let's get this box open. I can't find the box cutter, so I'm going at it with the scissors. Oh, what's right here? And of course another box is inside. Oh my. I respect it. This is how you're supposed to package stuff. Especially if it's coming to me from across the world. Box number 1. Big reveal in 3, 2, 1. So, as you guys can tell, we have compressor number 1. So, yeah, wow, this is a huge compressor. Guys, we're going on bags. Impressive's going on bags. Can you believe that? Yeah. Alright, so let's talk some numbers. So I paid about 650 US dollars for this. So if you think about it, this comes with compressors, the management itself, the manifold, the controller, and a tank. So a conventional, like let's say airlift 3P, that would cost about 1,000 something just for management. Okay, just think about it. So if you do the whole cost without the air struts, you're gonna pay about 4,000 to 5,000 Canadian dollars. I'm sorry, Americans, I don't know, but you would pay around 4,000, 5,000 Canadian dollars just for the management and the all the supporting parts you need without the struts. So I was like, okay, what the hell? Half of this stuff that I see from, like, I don't want to say any names, but there's so many companies out there that, wow, some nice lines. This. Whoa, yes. Can I flip this without doing it? So this is the map, as you can see. And on the other side of this is the controller. This looks very similar to an existing company, that's all I'm saying. And then the manifold. Alright, this is falling out, who cares? Oh, this is so exciting. Alright, I want to get the manifold out, but I can't. Alright guys, look at this manifold. It's thick, it's heavy. I really want to open this up to see how it's like and how it's made. But like, it's metal. That's a solid finish. Look at that. This is amazing. You know, I'm obviously going to put my own stuff on here, but this is beautiful. It's solidly built. Yeah, just look at it. This is such a high quality part. Even the controller, like the buttons. Ooh, the clicks are lovely. It's a thick controller too, with the same finish as the manifold. That's such a nice touch. It's like a brushed aluminum, I think. Yeah, brushed with the matte sides. This is really nice. Oh, this is so sick. And then, like, look at the, oh, the grain, I can feel it too. This is really, just stop making sound effects. Anyway, yeah, so the competitive brands, the ones that look exactly like this, means they literally use the same parts. And yet they charge how much, right? And I'm not going to pay that much. Who do you think I am? Right? And plus, I'd rather do it myself. I can learn something while I'm at it. So I saved quite a bit of money. I think in total, like around 1,200 Canadian. And now, for everything, for the management, for this. And of course, you know, I already run YSR coilovers. So I'm very keen on running YSR bags as well. So YSR, hook me up. Let's get impressive on bags. Let's set up even more shows this year. That's nice. Okay, I'm very happy with this so far. Let's get the second box opened up too. This is my wire. Oh, I should actually talk through the parts, I'm sorry. So this is the receiver for the controller. Probably some more wiring, just main from the battery to the back of the car. Same with this. This is an amp. It's like if you were to run a, if you were to run a sub or amp, they'll give you a big beefy power wire. Same with this thing. And there is, what is this called? A fuse. Yeah, so this is a big boy fuse because it's gonna handle a lot of power in there. So anyway, there's more boxes inside. That's nice. So the white one is another compressor box, so we don't really need to talk about that one. It'll be the exact same thing because I'm running 2 compressors. Here you go. Oof. This is packaging, styrofoam packaging. Ooh, I don't like the way this feels. What is this? What is this? Guys, I'm really happy with the manifold and the controller and just the management so far. This will be my tank. Well, let's figure out what this is. The tank is also like a brushed aluminum. It's really a 5-gallon tank. And I wanted 2 compressors just so I can air up and air down faster. This is 1/4-inch line that I'll run to the bags, to all the bags. There's a heavy box in here. I wonder what that is. I just dropped something. Let's hope it's not going to break. Pretty cool. I need to learn about all of this stuff as we go. That's nice. Cool little challenge. This will definitely be a huge project. It's not just mechanical work anymore. Freaking hydraulic work I gotta do, and then electrical work. I hate electrical work, but it's something that I have to get better at anyway. So why not just do it? Right after doing the underglow and wiring that, it was super simple, but I feel like that gave me a really good leeway into understanding at least a little bit more, or becoming more comfortable with it. This is huge. Alright, this is one of the stands. And then there we go. This is humongous. That's crazy. Can you look at this? Is a 5-gallon tank. No one's gonna run this in my car. That's hilarious. Anyways, this is the tank, guys. I'm excited. I'm honestly really excited to build it. Not even just to be on bags, but to be able to like learn something new and spend that much time to actually like understand how this works and do it myself. It'll be fun. I'm looking forward to that. Anyways, guys, that is the unboxing video of yet another Alibaba product. Okay, let's go over everything I bought from Alibaba. Wheels. That was my first purchase. Forged wheels, custom spec'd, chrome plated. Then I got underglow. I got like, if you were to buy that kind of underglow elsewhere, with like the programmable lights and the patterns and everything, that's like a $100 plus kit. And I got that for like $40. So quite worth it. And now this, which instead of buying a $5,000 air management setup, I'm now running a $1,200 one. So well worth it in my opinion, and we'll see. Let's get this installed and let's get some air struts ordered in.